It doesn't even matter if the person being threatened is not the president. I think we should make a serious example of these people. Foolishness. I mean, just take a video and video yourself threatening to kill the president and put his body in a cocoa sack and throw him away and behead his wife. What?
Mami Mao akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TV GH so wo frame adwoa searching. Ebusuafo owura Kwesi Pratt journalist. Kwesi Pratt ne baba enso adwuma Flagstaff House or vice president Mami je in office. Na Kwesi Pratt den sembe betuda na so Ghana fo bia keka wadwen a kire no mo kire ne sense Banje enye ne sense Okudzeto black kwanese. Adentina Ghana for aton krawe ede ama Kwesi Pratt so ye hypocrite. Kwesi Pratt akotena TV so kire say fancy comedy also live guest eba live ne so ebe tro madwen say esese nkasame jamfi na owu. Now you see asebna aba na NDC for because of hatred into no munti asebni ye. Eso fancy comedy need no fancy comedy need no be call live so ko catch there say owu need na nka ese same jamfi no owu. Na AY lady no aka ne ho no so ono so na Ghana jollof ekokeka na dwen wo ho no nti no ade no mo ka monka ne ye. Na we friend say Kwesi practice on tears in tears say omo your friend is NDC for the fancy comedy scapegoat. Then NPP for me kwa meka ho ya di twini yes Kwesi Pratt was here ha. Wo no baba ni na let me say munni mo left from right. Na ebusiafo Kwesi Pratt tina on tiase say NPP for ni bi cassette NDC ntino. Omo enfe bi enye scapegoat no. Abran semwe ekoso na Kwesi Pratt ewo Ghana ha. Papa Kwesi Pratt me pacho TSA ensemwe. Now we are go back to station, TV station or say radio station na okotena so say omumfa obi nye scapegoat because wa can dey be bad no. Ti wasum na se wuwi a beti reply Ghana for the amount.
Because at his age, in the natural order of things, if everybody is going according to his age, he has a shorter time. No, Nana Akufo-Addo is going to live shorter. Because at his age, in the natural order of things, if everybody is going according to his age, he has a shorter time. No, Nana Akufo-Addo is going to live shorter.
And tonight I'm going to be straightforward with Otu472.
Okay.
Yana.
Kevin Taylor no no.
Eya awonafo hene kese. Eya ahemfo akese amwo Ghana nyankasa mofa. Nana Kwesata the central region or hene kese.
Tie
se hwiaman hene.
Obetwetwo mu nyina tisi e muntie.
And western region. Mo ahemfo na motena Ghana mo ye di masaka we koso no. We swear to God.
Okay.
If things tweak, we will take you people down first.
Tie.
Mo ahemfo na mo Ghana no. All you the chiefs power bar bona manfo be butu wanim. Edi nshira bona musemu wotumi no.
Kai.
Say bibi jike. All of you, you take your heads off. We are saying it here tonight. We are beginning to see that majority of you people who are calling yourself kings in Ghana and big chiefs, it is deliberate. You want Jane Mensah and Akufo-Addo, your MP, to destroy this nation. We will make sure all of you, your palaces are bent to the ground. And you people too are bent to the ground. We will make sure you people are nullified before Adiabechi or Ghana.
Ragazzi.
Papa no kwatena radio so Adom FM kaze wode jena na atena private jet munti yen ne den no. Na NDC fumu nia na Okudzeto ne sense kwatena TV so se na nado etukwan ogbo Ghana kadodo or the private jet na de konti monti ase no. Jena na de wayare na wo the private jet aba ono nti ono de ye na NDC fu menti mo ase o. Mo no mo kense me ya akire obi no obi kebi akire mo a mo se monti ase. Adenti mo ye ni passing obi adenti a 2024 Ghana fu buafu e de bufu hye wa kwakoto abade amamo na chese mo nya super majority se mo ye the supreme nti Ghana fu pe mo asem nti se ye ka mo asem Kwesi Pratt. Tie video ye didi so ye bi. Wo de atie. Na we asan so ko radio na wo kwatena so ko ka sense hu opini wo ka say won fo bi scapegoat no. Asema aba no. Ye nka se da no de no anya ende de ye. Both parties na ye wrong. And you see NDC for almost started such politics. Nanka there's no way say NDC aba power no mo crofo akwa kowu and can people bet normal platforms so say omu bo say never. Kwesi Pratt kra wo hwem Kwesi Pratt kra wo kotena radio so ka say omofo bi scapegoat no. I believe so your Panin send and no gi the pan ye say enya dia NPP for say friends abra NDC for opposition no omo anka nsem hu anka NPP for nso be din nsem hu by this time never. I believe say NPP party no more yes because from 2016 I started the politics chia bepin by this time. Me who say NP aside your friend say bloggers omo what TikToker omo retaliate the NDC for ni year. Me who say NPP ni penny bimpo ebie na no ana say NPP journalist bi atena ni radio so na ni TV so I can filter words da me who big da. Now, so NDC more journalists for to meet na radio so din same including NDC executive and omo communication team na nkasa. Won say NPP for omo yasade ni be never omo nye bi da. Inti NDC for say what ase say abro NDC mo opposition no and some mo kan nsem ya mo ka chere NPP for no and omo nso no mo ye mo bi nja nza mo ye mo ya no. Kwesi Pratt tie video ye did you now you better comment. Video ye did you see Kelvin tell us won twa man futi or man penny offense Mahama and your president, no your vice president. Also, Nanado be wagered because of your pay. Nanado your pennies on a Mahamano. Some media feel the demonstration coming another way. Journalists be NDC nibi NDC journalists in New Continental Radio says and another play the nation one so who are there now. Kwesi Pratt now nigana ha comment Ben Wabe Mafa. More than Penifuna Morgana and why am I doing some person both for Yasha? Somewhere Madrid said a CNPP pencil, Nasa na yent one come once a man. I didn't NDC pencil, don't Bobby Cassa. Mupasi a cassetia me bois. Mupasi a cassetia, some person drink Magana Hadia. Politicians in both parties. NPP and NDC, we no more come together and more casse. Dirty politics and yet, near Chassam no so. Na mana mon kasa NPP for ye bintin NDC for ye bin NPP for ye and NPP for adin na seminary na mo sanso dey refer montin o montin no mo be dey masa and Kwesi Pratt beti ensem Ghana for aka kire we e kire se Kwesi Pratt o say hypocrisy. Kelvin Taylor said worse. Where were you Panin join I can say. And I was just when Kelvin Taylor started insulting people in this country who called him to order, Bisebio. And I was so Kwesi Pratt and hypocrisy. Kelvin Taylor, Same Honto, and others when they were insulting and threatening the certain president. Where were you? In the same way, and I Ghana for Aka and the actual Kwesi Pratt.